Just bad. There's just junk everywhere. Oh, I wonder if every laundromat owner's like this or just me. You ever wonder what it looks like behind the laundromat, behind where all the stuff is hidden? The back room? Well, some of them aren't so pretty. This is what my back room looks like. And what happens is we work on things, we'll set our tools down, we leave for the night, and we're done. We forget to throw things away, we forget to organize, and it just gets out of control. This is out of control. Most of this, 90% of this is junk, needs to go. So today, I'm gonna clean up this hoarder mess I've got in this back room. What I'm doing is organizing these soap boxes and stuff because they really have their own shelf. We just don't use the shelf. So, just silly not cleaning it up sooner. Because if you don't clean it up, you don't even know what you got, to tell you the truth. There we go. Now, some things we have to keep. Oh, there's another soap thing. There's laundry bags. Random stuff just gets thrown away. New rule. This is all our vending products. We don't have a lot of vending products. We only have 3 laundromats. We just buy a box of each month or every month and a half for each laundromat. That's how we operate. Throwing stuff around here. Just bags, random bags. Sometimes you don't even know what you got. This is a 1/8" wrench. That's what we use for the big washers to tighten them back down. These two go at home. That's junk. Jesus. Just bad. All right. Let's get the chair out of the way. God. And I kind of stack stuff based on whether it's parts. These are parts and stuff. And then I can kind of go through it, figure how much of what thing I have. I know that goes here. This goes, I'm gonna make a pile to go home. Some stuff I bring from home and I use and I forget to take it back home. Scrap metal pile. These doors can go. This is junk, maybe. This I know is junk. I wonder if every laundromat owner's like this or just me. Oh, there's stuff everywhere. Find stuff I didn't even know I had. Someone actually left this in the laundromat one day, brought us a snow shovel. We don't need it. We'll at least get this opened up is the main goal at the moment. Get this opened up, and then we can go through that stuff on that table. Oop, found a quarter. Rich. It's all mine. I'm just gonna push this over a little bit. What do we got here? We got this. I'm gonna hold this up till we figure out what that goes to. Marking paint. And see, like here I got horizon parts still. I don't even need them because I don't have horizons. That's a wire for horizon, don't even need that. Ugh. Man. Kids, don't let your place get like this. See, I didn't even know I had this here. We do the dryers the right way, folks. The right way. Yeah. These are door seals that can go in machines I have here. and at the other one, well, two laundromats also go to. You ever have a snake and you don't know how to hang on to it? Just get a bucket. See, look at that. Look at this. This is when you just throw shit away. You don't even know what it is, you just throw it away. This is where you can let a junk guy come in and just take stuff. Say, just get rid of it. I don't even want to see it, because then you'll say, I need that. Then after you get rid of it, 3 days later, you need it. Yeah. Oh my God, Keenan. All right, this pile's going in the garbage. Much better. You know, I told you I had to put those sewer lids in?
Oh yeah.
The rest of it's in the garage. Here's part of it. I was wondering where it was. It's right here. This is the part I just said I'm gonna go pick up and order. The bad one's in my truck. I think this is a brand new one. We're gonna try it here in a minute. Look at that, nothing wrong with it. From the heat alone, they'll separate. I mean, you can push it back on, but the heat will just pop it right back off. But that's what happens to those. These two, one of these is bad, one's good. Put this here. Now see, this will be the junk pile to go through tomorrow. Well, that's why once you start, you gotta keep going. Well, that's part of it. Now see, at least we got started. Thanks for watching. We're one sweep away from being done.